PINGLE, a green machine leader, has been committed to professional green machine engineering for 30 years. PINGLE provides excellent green machine engineering solutions and full life cycle services from initial factory planning to engineering design, equipment supply, equipment installation, commissioning and operation to the world. Focusing on client demand, PINGLE creates value for clients with customized solutions and high-quality services. With professional teams for business technology, engineering design, and product R&D, PINGLE carries out customized process design and optimizes equipment composition based on client demand, realizing the perfect combination of process and equipment. PINGLE has strong product manufacturing and quality assurance capabilities, advanced CNC machining equipment, and inspection and testing equipment, pilot workshops, floor testing laboratories, and automatic laboratories. The ISO 9001:2015 International Quality Management System is adopted throughout the process to make sure that every product is qualified to leave the factory. With professional technical level and rich practical experience, PINGLE's teams automate the process flow according to the regional characteristics of the project and build a series of high-quality floor milling projects with the craftsmanship spirit of collaboration, professionalism, exquisiteness, and perfection. Those projects include the 500-ton wheat flour milling project, exported to Tajikistan, 600-ton flour milling project, exported to Tajikistan, 200-ton wheat flour milling project, exported to Cameroon, 160-ton wheat flour milling project, exported to Uganda, 250-ton maize flour milling project, exported to Angola, and 180-ton wheat flour milling project, exported to Russia, demonstrating the company's strong strengths in undertaking large-scale complete green machine projects. Strengths make dreams come true, and integrity molds brand. Adhering to the business philosophy of building the century-long enterprises, PINGLE on sincerity and honesty, and the corporate spirit of persistence, confidence, hard working, and creation, PINGLE will give full play to its industry advantages, brand advantages, and technological innovation advantages, and provide clients with the best service. PINGLE Intelligent Manufacturing, a green machine leader, is willing to create a better future with you.